Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad. Today we're working on our snow plow, and I'm going to pull the trucks off. Going to lube the bearings, which are pretty dry. I forgot to lube them last year. The first thing I'm going to do is pull the side frames off, so I got to pop out the springs. I'm going to grease inside these journal boxes, and then I'll grease the sides here. There we go. That's better. This is the only piece of rolling stock I have with plain bearings. So, I guess I'll grab some grease and stuff it in the brasses here and put it all back together. Grease on the spring studs here. Suppose that couldn't hurt anything. If nothing else, it'll cut down on rust. Rust prevention, I guess you could call it. Guess I got enough in there. It's coming out the grease hole. The grease hole doesn't have a fitting on it, so. Oh, there we go. I guess this side, the hole is clogged, or I didn't get enough grease in there. Oh, there it is. Yep. Yeah, that one came out too. And it squirts out that one, so. Got enough in all four that they squirt out, so that's good. Put the whole thing back together. guess I'm going to get my hammer greasy. better than it did, so I'll take that. Alright. Pop the springs back in. And this one's all ready to go. On to the next truck. Basically, this one is more the same. Second verse, same as the first. That one's going to try to pop out the back. Can't really get to it though. It wouldn't be so hard if the whole thing weren't sliding all over the table. It's got some damage on it. Yeah, I know. For the last one I used gloves, and this one I'm not. No real reason. At least when it squirts out like that, I'm not wasting it. Just spread it along over here. Okay, I definitely overdid it on the grease. Well, better than it being dry. Yeah, I'm gonna stuff this spring back in here. I'll put in an order for new springs and I'll replace it next time I bring it into the shop. Something tells me part of the problem with this plow is the trucks themselves. It rolls better than it used to. Doesn't roll great though. Definitely need to do some more work to these trucks, but this will get me going for the next storm, and we'll revisit this another time. So the story with these trucks is I got them with, I don't remember if it was 3 or 4 cars from the Shelburne Falls Trolley Museum many years ago. They were homemade. They weren't the greatest. I don't know who made them, but they donated them to the Trolley Museum, and so I bought them to help the Trolley Museum raise some money and get me some much needed equipment at the time. I'm not going to tell you that these trucks are perfect, because they're not, but they're better than the trucks that I didn't have before. So we'll call it good enough. They were basically good enough for the time, and the price was right. They didn't want a whole lot for them, but they also knew that they weren't really well made or really well designed. So we'll just kind of leave it at that, I guess. But they're good enough for plow, sort of. They were living underneath a ballast hopper for a while, and for a couple of years I was swapping them back and forth between the ballast hopper and the plow. And really, the plow needs unsprung trucks. Sprung trucks is not ideal for a snow plow. So I really need to replace the trucks. But yeah, this is what it is. It gets them rolling down the track. It gets the track plowed. So that's where we're at for right now. I guess that's not terrible. It could be worse. So this is the flanger blade here. You're looking at the back of it right now. And that's what cleans the tops of the rails. And it's supposed to get in between the rails, but it doesn't really. One of these days I will make this flanger blade go up and down for real. It sort of goes up and down now, but I have to actually make a real mechanism for it. Maybe threaded rod and some chain or something. I don't know exactly yet. We'll figure it out. I'll figure it out later though. Right now, I gotta fold these wings in. Fold this one in first. I'll fold this one in. Let's see how well it rolls. As long as it's not hitting something. Rolls a lot better than it was. Good. So yeah, thanks for watching. I serviced the trucks. Wasn't able to service anything else with the weather taking a turn for the worse. But this will be in the shop again. It'll be in the shop before spring, I'm sure. We'll do something else to it. So thanks for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, hit that thumbs up button. Share, subscribe. And join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad.